Kidney diseases are always silent killers, and may even be diagnosed at very late stages. For this reason, your body usually shows signs or symptoms whenever your kidneys are in danger. Here are some of the signs. Number 1. Changing of your urinary functions. If there is an increase or decrease in the amount of urine you pass out, your kidneys have a problem. Your urine can also change into darker color. Number 2. Difficulty or pain while urinating. You may have difficulty and feel pressure and pain while trying to urinate. This could mean that you have developed a urinary tract infection. Number 3. Blood in the urine. This is a direct symptom of a kidney disease. This blood in urine could also be associated to several bladder cancers. Number 4. Foamy urine. This is a symptom associated with the bladder, but because the bladder and the urine are connected, the bladder is the first to be affected if the kidneys have problems. Number 5. Swelling or edema. All of the excess waste and fluids in your body are removed by the kidneys. If the kidneys start to fail, waste builds up in the body, causing swelling of the feet, ankles, puttiness in the face and tightness in the hands. Number 6. Extreme fatigue. When your kidneys are functioning properly, they produce hormones that help red blood cells carry oxygen. When they are fault, they cause fatigue as the brain suffers from insufficient oxygen. Number 7. Laziness and inability to concentrate. This is due to lack of sufficient oxygen in the brain, as there is no hormone in the body to transport oxygen in the red blood cells. This makes the brain to function slowly. Number 8. Feeling constantly cold. It is brought about by pyelonephritis kidney infection, which causes fever and chills. Number 9. Nausea and vomiting. This is due to the buildup of waste products in the body. Number 10. Shortness in breath. It is due to the buildup of fluids in the lungs, causing breathing difficult. Number 11. Skin rashes and itching. Caused due to renal failure, which causes waste to build up in your blood, causing you to feel itches and have rashes on your skin. Number 12. Ammonia or metallic breath. Kidney problems increases the level of urea in blood. The urea is broken down into ammonia in the saliva, which causes a urine-like breath. Thank you, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends on social media. Stay tuned on The Brainy Time, the place for success.